So today I will make a new card for the tilting table for the inserts. Before I have a whole other card where the slotting head, dividing head and rotary table and this were mounted, but I thought it took up too much space, and then I stored in the Lista cabinets. But this one is too big, so this will need a separate card. So I will make one. And now the little table card has been made. It's just what it is. I lacked some bolts, so I couldn't finish it all or completely. But it's working as intended. Now I can move it with ease, and I can store it behind the milling machine, and it won't take up much space.
The casters are just some cheap ones from the local DIY store, and I did a little sin by welding them directly into the stainless steel tubing. They are galvanized and this is stainless steel, so it's not a perfect match, but it will work for what it is. If I will keep this design or in the future need to change them, I can just cut them off. So it's not a big problem. But else it's complete and ended up as intended. So.
And now for something completely different.
Now the Ome, the Swedish made drill press here, is almost 100% cleaned again, and it's looking almost like new. There's very little marks on the table, no apprentice has drilling down on the the table, and as it is a drill press with gears that are cut straight, not helical gears, it has you know, a sound to it. The models with helical gears are more quiet, but yeah, there's a bad acoustic in here. It's a very hollow sound, if you can say so. Not much insulation or anything, so it will reinforce the sound it has. But it's a very nice running despite that, and everything feels super tight and like new, and you can see also the column is like new. So a great little drill press that I'm gonna keep. So, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.